What do we have here, divas? I don't know. It's a mystery kit. Your guess is as good as mine. Mystery landscape kit. This is, let's see, it is Diamond Art Club, of course. It's a square painting. All the mystery kits so far have been square because of the nature of squares versus rounds. And it is a 55.8 centimeter by 66 centimeters, so it's not a giant one. I like the size of Judy Bergsma's canvases, and I am eager to show you this one. Let's see. Now, of course, I can't show you too much of the canvas because I don't want to give it away. But I have lots of other things I can share with you. Of course, we have the mystery question mark. We have the show but don't show too much packaging here as well. We have the toolkit, so let's get into the toolkit. Let's open her up. Find out what goodies are in this toolkit. Okay, we have we have a clear tray with the gold flecks in it, with a stopper. I love stoppered trays. We have, a black pen and a black squishy. You don't get that color very often. That is one of their random color of pens. We have, for the other end of the pen, a 4 and a 7 placer. My favorite. We have a pointy tweezers. I'm not going to insult your intelligence and tell you not to go running with tweezers, but they are sharp. I love to use tweezers for square canvases. You get some extra baggies. You get a 2 hearts of wax in this container as well. Put them in there. Alright, you also get a cute little cover minder, and yes, they are little cover minders, which is a magnet on the back of it to put underneath the canvas. I prefer a bigger disc actually, but the cover minders on my Etsy shop do come with the bigger disc on the back, and to pull the plastic back, to clip it in between the cover minders so that it holds the plastic back while you are using them. And you get a washi tape. Ooh, this is neat. This is a foil one. Like, very interesting. Alright, the foil doesn't want to come off quite the right way, but it's a gold and yellow foil. You can see where it didn't quite come out right. They're very delicate, the foil ones. But you can use this on the edges of your canvas to keep out any kind of stray hair or dust that might like to collect along the edges. It'll keep your drills lined up along the edges nice and straight. Gives you a good straight start if you start on the edges, so it's a good thing to use that for. Alright. That's the toolkit for this kit. Now let's get into the canvas. Alrighty. I am going to roll it up the opposite way. This is a purely black and white canvas, so I'm only going to show you a little bit of it at a time. Landscape would be a nature painting, Judy Bergsma in nature. I do not know which one this is. I tend not to. There are Diamond Art Club Mystery Kit Facebook groups that you can join if you really, and the Discord group as well, that you can join to see if you really want to have the image spoiled for you. But I do not wish to spoil that for you. I'm going to bring you in so you can't see the whole canvas at one shot, but you can see very easily how this goes. You can see where the drills get placed down. Now it's not an easy it's not easy to do a mystery kit. I would think it was one of the more advanced because, you know, you don't get the the grid in between. You can kind of see that, but you can kind of see very faintly where to put the square in there. Now, Diamond Art Club squares, you do not have to be afraid of them. They are resin drills, not acrylic drills. They go down perfectly. They even come with a slight little gap in between them, and which seems to close up. It seems to shrink a little bit as you have worked on them. It seems to pull the drills tightly together. It's really cool how that happens. But they will not give you any glimpses of color. The only glimpses of color you're going to get is by the drills when you kit up. So again, I'm going to bring you in close enough so you only see a piece of the canvas here and not the whole thing. Ooh, because I can tell some of what it's going to be. And I'm not going to tell you. Oh, it's going to be beautiful. Oh my gosh. Absolutely beautiful. I want to bring my cord up so I can telephoto you in. Okay. It has 53 colors. Are any of them ABs? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Aurora Borealis drills. No special drills, but you can, when you see the colors, you can also change them out yourself if you'd like to. Okay. And again, it's a Sandra. Oh, have I been calling it the wrong name this whole time? Sandra Bergeran. Bergeron. Sandra Bergeran. Landscape. I don't know her as an artist. It's still going to be a beautiful landscape. It looks very cool. You get the same thank you instruction manual there. Oh, man, sorry. It is a kit by Sandra Bergeron. Yes, Mystery Kit Landscape. It has all the mystery colors, all the landscape primary colors, the greens, the browns, which I will show you because that is one way to get a glimpse of what you're going to be doing. So let me cut out the ABs here so that we can, well, I can't show you where they're going to go on the canvas, so that doesn't really matter, but let's see. Let's see, there's an AB. There's 2 of them so far. I like to show them all together. Okay. Which way will I be showing you the numbers better? Okay. Okay. Okay, so as usual, I will show you the Aurora Borealis last, and I will show you the colors. Oh, these are beautiful burgundies and pinks. There's a teal and a light pink, peach and blue. So I have a feeling that there are going to be some very pretty flowers in these, because they don't look like fall colors to me. Although they could be. We have some blacks and oranges and pinks here. A taupe and yellow. A purple. Nice. Teal and brown. Pink, yellow, and a cornflower blue. Very, very nice. Oh, it's got to be a spring landscape. It just has to be. Other purples. The greens, and you get into the browns, which are the dirt colors. The tree and the dirt colors for sure. Purple, blue, and tan. We have more of the greens and browns that go with it. Leafy greens and the dark greens. and the deep dark greens, and the dark browns. The biggest amount of color here is the browns and the greens. So, could it be a woodsy flower scene? What other things will be in the scene with the woods and the flowers? That remains to be seen. Alright, I know. Boo hiss, boo hiss. Let me see if I can get these lined up correctly. Alrighty. There's some more purples and blues. More purples and blues. Very pretty purple. Rose purples. Cornflower blues. You have another yellow tan. And a different shade of blue. There's a sky blue in here, so there are probably some sky shades in here. Or is it water shades? I don't know. Beautiful. Like a cornflower, like a colonial blue, and more green. Now I want to show you the Aurora Borealis drills to go with it. One is this crazy pink. We have a chartreuse green. We have a brilliant orange. And where's the other one? Where did the other one go? Ah. It is. And it's the white. It's the off-white. This will be a beautiful kit, guys. The colors are just smashing. I don't know what landscape it's going to be. Is it going to be water? Is it going to be forest? Is it going to be garden? Is it going to be a house? Is it going to be boats? What is it going to be? I don't know, but I do know it's going to be beautiful. I love the color of shading that is in here. So we shall see. I will let you know when I work on it. And again, it is a Mystery Kit Landscape by Sandra Bergeran. Okay. If you liked this video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little bell if you want to be notified when the sneak peeks for Diamond Art Club come up, and when other things like junk journals or our Tuesday night lives and kind of cross stitch, painting, all kinds of fun things come up that we do together as a community for creative crafts and inspiration. All right, bye divas. See you next time. Bye.